Hi, Janelle here from A Mom's Take, and I'm going to show you how to make s'mores in the microwave. So what you do is you just put your graham cracker and your Hershey's chocolate, 1/4 of a bar, and you're going to cook the chocolate first for 20 seconds. Now you can do 15 to 20 seconds, it depends on your microwave. But you just want the chocolate to have a little bit more time to melt. You can see here, it's just melted just a little bit. That's perfect. You can add 1 to 2 marshmallows. I really like 2 because it just adds a ton of really gooey goodness. And we will cook 8 to 10 more seconds. You can watch here. You'll see the marshmallows get all puffy and grow. And there you have it, your s'mores ready. You smash down the other half of your graham cracker and let it cool for just a few seconds, and then